Upcoming, it says. That's funny. Live Bitcoin, Forex, and Tesla trading. Today's date 12/6/12/23. The safety trade. All right, let's get over to here. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Morning, everybody on YouTube. 1 minute sell stops are in place, but so are the 5 minute, 15-minute buy stops. Please be ready for those. Have both positions opened. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Destin, Versag. Good morning, Mangela. Morning, Builder. Morning, Dion. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Everybody on YouTube. YouTube channel has tons and tons of people there. Let's see. Let's go over to the channel itself so you guys can see it. YouTube channel is a safety trade. Head over to here. Type in the safety trade. You come over to here. You'll see my YouTube has 569 videos, 2.46 thousand subscribers. But the main thing is I don't take any trades unless I trade it live on YouTube. So there's 10 months, 11 months of me trading live, 569 videos of me trading live. Not one trade do I open that I do not take showing alive. So everything you've ever seen me traded is there. This is the YouTube right now. Everybody give me a second. TikTok, YouTube. Morning, Eric, Health, Family, Wealth. Morning, Jason McCain. Morning, D Nice. Morning, Paige DeMark. Good morning, Thomas. Morning, Robel. Morning, Monique. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Paige DeMark. Good morning, Michael. Michelle. Good morning, David. Good morning, Paul. And I think that's it on everybody there. Yep, I think so. Remember, thumbs up on everything, please, guys. Appreciate that. All right, now let's pull this one back. We should take a look at the scanner too this morning, but nonetheless. Morning, FX Plants. Morning, Carson. Morning, Ore. Morning, Desmond. Morning, Dude Awesome. I think that's everybody. Morning, SCS Snow. Don't forget, we got training today, 1 p.m. for all newbies, 2:30 p.m. for all advanced. Please don't email asking us about that. I'm telling you right now not to answer that. We're not doing that. It's in your type form. If you don't know that, rewatch it again. Whew. All right, I just got done doing some cardio, some mini tramp, elliptical stepper, then got done benching. Love lifting. Actually, the little full body, but mainly with arms and some bench. Ready to roll. We already had one touch on the US30. 1 minute, went down and touched this line once, came back down, touched this line a second time. May or may not go down. Also in the money on the NAS when I called it originally back here on this purple line. We'd be up over 30 pips on NAS, and then got out of the trade at that same purple line right here. Obviously went down again to the blue line, 82 pips. And SPX right here also went down to the blue line. Oh, I'm sorry. We have 3 out of 3 touches. Whoa, what? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, we had 2 out of 3. We don't have US30. I'm sorry, NAS touch. Interesting on that. Look for the buy stops. I did not know that we had that. Sell stop. I'm not redoing that. I'm staying in those. I already have long-term buys. So put these little take profits in place for yourselves. Lock those trades in. Move this one up a little bit. We'll take profit on that. NAS, again, you should be looking for the buy stops here. Kind of a little late on NAS. Really, these are your 5-minute ones. I'm already in that. So I have a buy on NAS from a while ago. SPX, buy stop still available, kind of ish. You can still look for that. And then US30 right here. You definitely have time for the 15-minute buy stop on US30 by all means. So we had 1 minute sell stops. We had 2 out of the 3 hit their blue lines, and the third one make a shit ton of money. Next up, you should see the 5-minute, 15 minutes engaged, probably. I mean, we're in no rush. Good morning, 5797. Why did not see my good morning? Where's my YouTube at? Oh, there they are. Morning, John C. Good morning, Shannon. Good morning, Lauren. Lauren, if you'd like to call in this morning, please let me know. Marius Tar, good morning. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, JIS. Good morning, Annie. No last name. Good morning, Moto. So, if anyone would like to co-host this morning with me, please let me know. No one has to, but if you want to co-host through the open here, you can shoot me over an email. Let me go grab it and I'll post it up here with your phone number on it. And let me grab it right. Again, uh, please don't write us asking for when the training is. Do not email us that question. For the love of God, don't do it. Uh, Good morning, Larry. Anybody wants to do co-hosting with me this morning? Feel free. You can do a call in. Send your name and phone number. It has to be American only. It has to be in America. Sorry, I'm not doing with that shit with WhatsApp and all that crap. I'm doing it. So can't happen. If you have an American phone number you'd like to do, please feel free to write in. Ask. We'll go ahead and do you as a co-host this morning. Now, I don't know if if good morning. Uh, I think that's it. Anybody that would like to co-host this morning before market open, let me know. Currently looking for 1 minute buy stops, but I think those are played out. I would absolutely be in or ready to go with the 15-minute US30 buy stop. I'm about to whip through 14 different symbols, starting with gold all the way through XRP. Okay. Good morning, Jason. Jason should come on, actually. Good morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach. Good morning, Bradley. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Moto. Moto says, hey guys. Good morning, Manifestation. Good morning, Patrick. GBB USD. I'll take a look at GBB USD first since it's being called up in one of our great members. Thank you again, Moto, for coming on. 30-minute buy stop. Is that what he said? Yeah, that's exactly right. It's a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop bouncing off the line. 1 minute fill in the gap. Where's it going? 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop. I would look for any 1 minute sell stop down to the 5 minute. And then exactly like Moto said, I'd be looking at this right here. So in other words, you can either play the down or come over here and do this little simple little right here. It's not going to net a lot, right? Buy stuff later in the day. And just let it keep on rolling down. Currently, we have a 1 minute, 5 minute. Oh, hold on a second. Good morning. Hey, what are you up to, Precious? Oh, and how's the trip going? Yeah. Okay. I don't have too much time for this because I'm on live with everybody, but I walked away so they don't. You know, yeah. It's in the morning. Sorry. um, yeah, yeah, we're grandma. Yeah. We took her there. Me and Bree took her there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We actually have we're getting a pew made for her for Gramps, and then like a brick. Yeah, like the naming of it, like the name it. Yeah, she loved that place. So that was one of her. Yeah, requests. Yeah, yeah. It'd be sweet. Yeah. There's no one there. Everyone's at the outlets, and no one ever goes to that place. It's quite sad. But, oh well. Yeah. No, it's sweet. Nice. And you got a couple days still. Huh? You got till Wednesday. You said. That's awesome. So, well, I hope you can do that. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it was perfect. Good. Well, I hope it ends up doing okay for you. All right. Love you, sweetie. Love you. Love you. Love you. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. One of my daughters called. Oh, looks like you're in the money again, by the way. Uh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's cheating. Sorry, my bad. It had, where were yeah, I'd be ready for that US35 stuff, by the way. That's what I'd be looking for. Yep. It's, 15 minuter. You can already be engaged and you can already up some money. It's clearly a buy stop. It did its 1 minute like it was supposed to do. Actually, it did it perfectly. 1 minute US 30 to the blue line, now 15 minutes. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and whip through a whole bunch of these. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Bootlegger. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and whip through gold and then work my way up. Anybody that wants to be part of the live this morning, whether you're a member or not, you just have to have an American phone number that you can have me call. That's all. So just go ahead and message. We'll be getting to spy in a minute. Viral videos. Good morning, Larry. Good morning. That was me. All right. Let me pull this back a little bit. Good morning, Patrick. And I don't think I missed anyone. All right. What do we have? We have gold to the blue line once, twice. So that's 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Already did it. There's gold. I would continue looking for any 1 minute, 5 minute sells, 1 minute sell stops to the 5 minute blue line for gold. Then I would look for a 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop for gold. Then I would look for a 4 hour sell stop for gold. Then I would look for a daily buy stop for gold. That's all I'd be doing with gold. It's going to whip down here, touch this daily line, and then blow back up. Amazon. When do I have? I have some. Oh, good, I do. 1 minute Amazon. And I saw shit last night. 1 minute Amazon is going to it's 5 minute blue line. I would do a 1 minute sell stop on Amazon when it opens, if you can. I don't know the pre-market bullshit. And then 1 hour buy stop on Amazon. That's how I handle Amazon. US oil. 1 minute sell stop US oil going to negative, going to, that was going to 5 minutes, but I think we're below that. We are. 1 minute sell stop US oil. 1 minute sell. It's got to pull back up. Hmm, too far away on the 1 hour, 4 hour red line. Daily, weekly buy stop US oil, monthly sell stop. This is how I would play it. Look for any 1 minute sell stops on the way down further, so it's an arch back up, come back down again. But then it's going to flip into 1 minute buy stops going back up because it has to go back up. See, I called this last night when I said it has to go back up to the fifth right here from the purple line back up to the red line and back down again. That's all it's going to do again. It's going to come arching back up again, hook and come back down. It's going to fill another one of these, fill in the gaps and create. So that's oil. GBB, URGBB. 1 minute buy stop to where? Nope. Too late. 5 minute to the 5 minute blue line. Are you shitting me? Well, too late on that one. We can go to the 30. I don't know. I'm not going to 15 minutes. No. 1 hour sell stop, EURGBB. And that's it. You can keep looking for the 1 minute buys, let it pull back down to the line here and form again, but I wouldn't put it. It's a little late on that one. Or just look for it. So GBB JPY, 1 minute sell stop. GBB JPY. Yeah, it's going to arch back. Okay. Just like the other one, EURGBB. It's going to arch back up on the 5 minute hook, come back up, make this indicator right here turn green, and then this would be your 5 minute sell stop, GBB JPY. Come back up and come back down and form it. So GBB JPY. Now, after that fact, an hour, 1 hour, 1 hour buy stop. Matter of fact, I'm going to take this because we do have a little. I'm just going to wait for this. If it comes up, great. If it never comes up again, it won't engage, and I'll remember to delete this maybe before things get ugly. 1 hour buy stop. 1 minute sell stop, GBB JPY. Daily nothing. Weekly was a buy to the monthly blue line. Look at it. It's been going for fucking 2 months. UDCHF, USD, CHF is the opposite of EUR, USD. ER, USD is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. EUR, USD is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. USD is a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. ERUSD, a little late, is a 4 hour sell stop to the blue line. ERUSD is a daily buy stop to the blue line. ERUSD is a weekly sell stop to the monthly. XRP's in the house. How's the XRP doing? 51 cents horsepower. It's been recommending it since 31 cents a long time ago, but nonetheless, moved up a little, multiple times at the blue line, by the way. Sell stop, XRP to the 1 minute blue line. Sell stop, XRP to the 1 minute blue line. 15 minute buy stop, XRP. XRP. 4 hour buy stop, XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, XRP. Monthly buy stop, Ethereum. 1 minute. You guys are in the money on your buy stop on, yeah. You are absolutely in the money on your US30 buy stop. There's no way to tell you not. All right. Ethereum. Ethereum and Bitcoin are joined at the hip. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop. Ethereum, 15 minute sell stop. Ethereum, daily buy stop. Ethereum, daily buy. Ethereum, weekly sell to the blue line. Ethereum, monthly buy. Bitcoin, Bitcoin and Ethereum are always the same. Whatever they do, one does. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line just happened on Bitcoin. 5 minute, keep playing. Keep, what the fuck? 1 minute sell stop. Keep looking for the 1 minute sell stop on Bitcoin. 5 minute buy stop on Bitcoin. 1 hour sell stop on Bitcoin. Daily buy stop on Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop on Bitcoin to the blue line. Monthly buy stop on Bitcoin. GBP USD we kind of already did. And I have long-term buy on US30 and NAS, and also some short-term ones today. Oh, well, and also sell, by the way, but we'll get into that. 1 minute. GBP USD, GBP USD. 1 minute sell stop. And go all the way down there. GBP USD, 1 minute sell stop. Look for any and all 1 minute sell stops to the 5 minute blue line, GBP USD. Then look for the 1 hour buy stop. Well, it's a 30-minute 1 hour buy stop. GBP USD, nothing. Daily. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line on ERUSD. SPY, SPX 500. 1 minute buy. It's already was called when I first came on. 5 minute buy. You should already be on the money. 15-minute. These were called last night, these 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops you guys are playing. I didn't want to hear it. I wrote this out, did this out at 11 o'clock last night. These trades right here that you're currently in were a 1 minute sell stop turning into a 15-minute, 30-minute, in some cases, a 5 minute buy stops. That's it. That's what you're playing from the night before. NAS, 1 minute buy stop. NAS, NAS. It's kind of far away, to be honest with you. NAS. Can we get a pullback to the 5 minute? Let me see something here. Okay, well, you're way in the money on these 1 minute buys, US30. I told you the 5 minute buys. You're in the money on the 5 minute. You're in the money on the 15-minute buy. No. To play the 1 minute sell stops if you see any form. I'll try to keep an eye on that for us. What we want to see happen here is we'll go to a 5 minute line. We want this, right, to form a little thing, right? Boom, 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 boom. But I really want it to come back here. So let me pull this off. I want to see price action come back down on the 5 minute and then come back up. I don't usually draw them short like this. Maybe I'm not saying it will. I'm hoping to God it does. But maybe at open we can see this pullback, or before open would be nice. Let this pull all the way down. Yeah, it was good. Let this come down a little bit. There we go. 1 minute buy stop, NAS 100. Let it come down. I want to see something here. If we're still not out of this sell stop to the blue line, we'll know. Well, at any rate, we're done. So let me see over here. 1 minute buy stop NAS 100. 1 minute buy stop US30. 1 minute buy stop SPX. Those are all official. Unofficial, though, I'm going to watch these things down to the blue line. See if we can get another push down. Patrick said, woke up on a Monday with $1,100. Yay, Patrick. Not a bad day. Good morning, Kathy. Viral videos as it just did Spy Fair. Hope you're happy. Apollonia, good morning. Mark Davis, good morning. MH, haven't been around in a few weeks. Real direction bar. How do I update my chart? Any difference in use? What's up, MH? Talked about it all day yesterday. You should have watched the videos from yesterday. But yes, you don't need to update. Same use, but these are to stop people from scamming. They can't figure. There's no way in hell they'll figure out anything to do with this shit. So that's why it looks like that. And no, you don't need to update. If you want to update, feel free. No need to do it though. That's up to you. If you want, you have to pay. Otherwise, it'll be updated upon renewal. You'll have that upon renewal, and that's all I'm bringing up. Good about the victory for you. I'll be a monkey's uncle. Some kind of uncle. All right. Hey, that actually works. Haha. All right. Now, do we have time to go over any of the new stuff? 918, not a lot. Buy stop, 1 minute. SPX, buy stop, 1 minute. NAS. But I'm going to keep an eye out for something, but just keep officially do that, and I'm going to watch something myself. All right. Anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube? Anybody would like to call in and be co-host this morning? Feel free. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Miss Angela Taylor. Sunshine. Good morning. Good morning, Steve Harris. If anybody would like to call in and co-host, it has to be from America, though, American number. Don't have to have the system. Have limited knowledge of the system. I don't care. Feel free to call in, though. We've been doing that. We did it last night. We don't have to have one by all means. It just makes things more interesting to hear other people's perspectives on things. All right, I just called out 14 symbols like I always do. Everything from gold, Amazon, oil, EUR, GBP, GBP, JPY, UDSHF, EUR, USD, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, GBP, USD, SPY and SPX, same thing, and NAS and US30. That's what we're looking for. So I'm preferring a nice pullback down, hopefully somewhere near or to the blue line if we can get it. If not, buy stop 1 minute US30, buy stop SPX, and buy stop NAS. We want this to pull back way further, like it did. We don't have to do it again. These 1 minute sell stops are blind. 2 out of the 3 hits of the blue line, and NAS was in more than enough profit. So perfection on those this morning. Now we have a whole bunch of new announcements coming up. I don't know if I should bring those up now or not. Mm-hmm. 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 Good morning, Rita. Good morning, Taylor. Bernie T. Good morning. All right. Let's see. Well, the first one was brought up by MH. We have these cleaner looking bars. These will be done for anyone who purchases the system from today on. When you renew, you'll be getting the bars. There's no chance to keep anything else but the bars. And then if you want to upgrade, which I don't recommend at all, you can pay a little extra and upgrade to the bars now, but I prefer not. You can just see these turned red. So now we have an official buy stop for US30, but keep your eye on these going back down to the blue lines. Well, in my case, green lines. I just have this feeling that they're not done. And I do have some sell stops open, by the way. So just let's just keep those in the back. I have some long-term buys in on US30 and NAS. So if we see this little pullback here, it's just going to give us another opportunity to enter in later. Yeah, see, I just don't know. We'll see how this rolls out. All right, and then we have another a new thing. US30 is going back up, says the Holy One. Looking forward to the session this afternoon at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the session for all newbies. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time for everyone else. 2:30 Eastern Standard Time is for the advanced training, where you can ask any specific questions you like regarding your account. I'm not setting up your account. It is not a setup training call. It is a training session training call. To be specific with them. Now let's see which one's going to go down. 1 minute buy stops officially across the board on all 3 indices. I just think we're going to see a little pushback. That's why I drew this out. It's a perfect. I mean, it's gone down perfectly. I can't really complain at this point. It has gone down a good bit. I just think we're going to see this hook down to there, maybe a little lower. Might see a hook all the way down. We'll see. It's going to do a chew on. We have to wait a while, anyways. If this is going to hook back, we shall see. All right. So some of the new things. Then I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint on one of them. Might see blue one before the buy, says Patrick. Yeah, it already did it 2 out of the 3, Patrick, and it's done it twice to US30. And SPX also hit its blue line. And NAS is already up 30 pips. So that's 3 out of 3. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, the Holy One. Is it going back up, US30? Well, we'll see. You know the rules. If you know the system, you should get the rules. This is a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop and 1-minute buy stop. We're watching this really close. I want to see which one tags in. To me, it's going to be US30 hits the blue line first. Then it'll follow up with SPX and then NAS. I'm already in a NAS trade on a sell. I have two extremely long-term watch. Three extremely long-term, no, two extremely long-term NAS trades open, one extremely long-term US30, and one SPX 5. So there you go. See that pull down? Watch it go down. You're seeing it come down right now. And this, I can't teach you this. Do not dare write me asking about this. Well, how did you know US30 is going to go down? It's called 9 years trading experience. Well, 9.5. That's how I knew. Well, it's not part of the system. It isn't part of the freaking system. It's me knowing it was too far away and had to come back down. It's called life. Whether you expect it, there you go. Beautiful on this. All right. Now we just hold right here. You can keep playing any 1-minute sell stops you like. I'm going to go ahead and lock in another buy stop here later on. This is just a thing of beauty right here. We're going to pop it down somewhere around there. And then we're going to wait. This is a 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop. But again, I'm purely wanting this to go down. Watch NAS right here, Nick. You'll see it shoot downward. And I do have my NAS sell stops open right here. I believe this is money, locking that in now. And there's the sell. Now, how do you know? Well, it's called experience. And if anybody dare has the nerve to write me asking about that, I'm literally going to block you for a week. Don't email me asking about this. Officially 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop. That's all I can tell you. Matter of fact, we will enter in NAS again. You don't like playing these short, little 1-minute sell stops. And just wait for the buy later on. Okay. Now, when market opens, you have 3 ways of playing things. Lock in. Don't play the market. Number one, not play market open, US session market open. If you are going to play it, lock in profits. What does that mean? Lock it in like I just did. Put your stop loss before you went in. You can't lose. Number 3, if you're going to play it, make sure there's a clear cut buy stop or sell stop. And for instance, in this case, 1-minute buy stop only, 5-minute buy stop only, US30, 1-minute buy stop only, SPX, 1-minute buy stop only. It doesn't mean they're not going to go down to their blue line. I have open a NAS trade on a sell. I'm officially what it is. I hope it would arch down for us like this, hook, and shoot right back up again. That would be a thing of beauty so everyone can make some money. 3 minutes to market open, then I'm going to go into some new things that we have. If anybody would like to be on the live, just go ahead and message me. Oh, gosh. Hey, good morning. That's Mike off the storm last night. Damn, storm hit at 3 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't go back to sleep afterwards. It was a nightmare. All right, market open in 3 minutes. Be ready for those buy stops. All 3 indices. If it hooks down any further, great for us. I prefer it to come down a little bit more. Let me make sure. What do we have open? Nope, I don't want SPX. I want US30. Be ready. I already called out everything else for you. Just be ready to roll here. Now, again, it's hooked down plenty good for me. I would like it to come down just a little bit more. Let's see if we can get a little bit more push downward. Looks like SPI. Yep, there goes NAS. NAS is coming down. Nice. Take any profit if you're up $136 on your sells. Take the profit on that, okay? You don't have to stay in that one. Look, I have one short-term NAS sell going. I have 2 very long-term buys going on NAS. Excellent. Look at the money. Love it. Lock in your profit or take profit before market open. We have market open in a minute, 18 seconds. Look at it go down to its blue line again, which was called out this morning. I'm sorry, late last night, 11 o'clock. Well, hell, it might have been 11:30 last night. All three of those sell stops to the blue line. Two of them hit the blue line twice, and the third NAS was up over 30 pips. So those were all successful. You can still stay in one of them if you open up more than one, like I am. I'm still in. Good morning, Yay. Good morning, Tommy Toodles. Patrick says it will be jumping everywhere. Seeing people in the back. Do not play if you're not comfortable. Correct. I've said that like 3 times, Patrick. You know what more I can do for people? But boy, oh boy. I didn't hear you. You said not to email about what question? About why I call these sell stops the blue line yet again. That's what I said, Rita. Good morning, June. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Mom again. All right. Market open coming up in 6 seconds, right? Am I seeing that right? I believe it is. Here you go. Hang on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. There's market open. There's your buy stops. You're in the money. Take your money out of your buy stop on US30. Take your money out of the buy stop on US30. You're in the money on US30. You're in the money on US30 buy stop. Thank you. You're welcome, Kev. Take your money out of US30 buy stop. Take your money out of the US30 buy stop. Depending on when you got in, you're up 22 pips or more. Take the money out of the US30 buy stop. Take your money out of your NAS buy stop. Take your money out of the NAS buy stop. You're in the money up 12 pips or more. Take the money out of the NAS buy stop. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on SPX. I'm sorry, you're in the money on US30. Do not stay in these trades any longer. If you're up 30 pips in 30 seconds, take your money out. Take your money out on those buy stops. I don't want to hear later that it didn't work. It didn't go up. Fuck it. You're up 12 pips. On NAS, you're up 12 pips. You're up 30, was it? Hold on. You're up 20 pips on US30. You have perfect buy stops, perfectly played out, perfectly executed. By the way, it looks like SPX did go down and hit the blue line again. Perfection on SPX going down and hitting its blue line again. Again, depends on how you want to play these. If you don't want to play any of the sell stops down, then don't do it. I would absolutely be looking for NAS also to go ahead and dip a little, but I'm going to play NAS 1 minute buy stops. US30 1 minute. Look at your US30 1 minute buy stop. Again, it gave you another chance. You're 50 pips up. Take profit out of your US30 buy stop, or you're a greedy pig and you deserve to get slaughtered. Take profit. Or if you opened up more than one, lock it in. Look at the money you've just made on US30. Holy Moses. What are you talking about? Take profit, get out of the trade. I can hear it now. I didn't have time to get out. I didn't have time to get out. I didn't have to get out of here. Don't be a clown. Everyone here has had shit tons of time to make 40, 50, 60 pips profit on US30. If it comes crashing down to the blue line again, don't come watch to me. I swear. It almost makes me not want to come on for the opens anymore, guys. I swear. There's NAS going to its blue line. There it is. Again. Now, will US30 come down and do it? Well, I'm going to probably say negative on that, but I would lock in my profit if I were you. Now, my NAS sell stop is up. Oh, it took profit. My NAS sell stop took profit. My NAS sell stop took profit. So we're fine. We have SPX hit its blue line. Everyone should be out of this trade. If you took this trade down, you're up 4 pips. There's no reason to stay in this trade. 5-minute buy stop. SPX. Can't call a sell stop. 5-minute buy stop off the 5-minute line. SPX. NAS. 5-minute buy stop. NAS. 5-minute buy stop. I can't call a sell stop. I think it's going to go back and touch this blue line again. Yeah, it's been doing it twice. Maybe so. US30 can't call anything but a buy stop right now. So you're in the money on your US30. Look at your we just had some scanner. The scanner, Tommy, I don't know if you heard or not. The scanner's calling about 2,000 trades a day or about 50,000 trades in a month. Look at it. Just calling out new ones for you right now. You only trade. This is how you trade the scanner. Every day I bring up this. So don't tell me you don't know how to trade the scanner. When you see SS normal or BS normal, that means it has nothing to do with the blue line. It's just a normal trade. You pull it up on your chart to see. By the way, you're in the money on that sell again on NAS if you took it down to the blue line. All right, and if you see SS BS ones, that means they're the perfect to the blue line trades. If you see BS3s or SS3s, that means it's not perfect, but still an extremely good trade. What do they look like? They look just like this. This is a normal buy stop. This is a normal sell stop. This is to the blue line. Very excellently good in gold. This is not so good, but still very good, taking in 2 time frames. That's all it is. Again, every day, every time I explain the scanner to you, to tell me that you don't understand the scanner means you're not watching any of my videos with me. You can't do everything for you. You gotta take responsibility. 30-minute is just doing it. US30 is making so much money you can't stop. My US30 buy stops I have long term on. Sell stop to the blue line again, 1 minute, or you can enter 5 minute and look at this right here. While I was talking, it gave you a free 10 pips. Matter of fact, I'll get this. I was running down here. And then make sure you have your buy stops set. We're going to put it up here. Right there. All right, that's my NAS setup. SPX, let's see what it looks like. Freaky deaky deaky. SPX is going back to its blue line again. I can't call that for you. It's unofficial. You're in the money on the sell NAS. If you took that trade, close it down. You have SPX hitting its blue line yet again. Freaky deaky. There's SPX doing its thing. Let's see what US30 is doing. US30 is coming back down. We're locked in our profit. And we have multiple buys on US30 open, so no worries there. SPX, let me see what gold did real quick. Gold did its little, evidently, it's been cruising downward, yeah. 1 minute sell stops on gold. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop, but I say it's going to be closer to that. Ooh, we're going to engage the 4-hour sell stop and the daily buy. Gold call again. Let me see if Ethereum or Bitcoin call this morning. Freaky sell stop it did. Yep, sell stop it did. Where was it going to? The Ethereum one. Yep, the sell stop kicked in for Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop for Bitcoin. Oh, hold on. NAS in the money. NAS in the money. NAS in the money on your sell stops. Lock those in again, or take profit depending on how you want to look at this. You're up another 16 pips on NAS. You're up another 16 pips on the NAS. US30 sell stop to the blue line 1 minute, and then buy stop again. It took profit on my other buy stop. So again, see. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this down. Go ahead and grab this down here. Yes, I'm fully aware these aren't sell stops. I can't help it. This is just me trading for 9 years. Oh, smack. XPX. What's my little 2 out of 3? SPX is below. SPX is below its 1 minute. Oh, nice. I do believe SPX is leading the way this morning. Holy shit. Who would have thunk? That is incredible. You go, SPX. You go. SPX to the blue line and beyond. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull up any desk to that. What number is that? Hold on. Let me see if I can open up another any desk here. Thank you. I have long-term trades sell and short-term long-term trades buy on SPX, NAS, and US30. Got short-term sells on those. Let's see if we can open up another. Maybe. Remote address is. Why didn't they enter? Now, let's show you guys some super cool, amazingly cool tech that's coming back. Buy stop is engaged. Buy stop is take your profit. Take profit. Take profit. Look at US30. Take profit at US30. Take profit on US30. I got in down here on one. So you're either up 43 pips, or if you got in up here, you can take profit right here at 24 pips. Choice. Feel free. Lock in profit. Take profit at US30. Nice. Let me see if SPX is still doing this thing. SPX. Nope. All I can call is a 5-minute official buy stop. You have to wait on that one. NAS is in the profit. Take profit on NAS. Take profit on your buys on NAS. You're up 7-8 pips. Now, if I can please go back over here to look at US30. Look at US30. Okay, okay. Wow. All right. Now, let's go over to the 2 out of 3 scanner that's being currently looked at. This is on another computer I have in the same house. Don't ask. Look at that buy. Holy shit. Okay, this is US30. Now, I don't know if I can make it any bigger or not. Hold on a second. Yes. Okay. So there we go. All right. This is our in development 2 out of 3 scanner. You could just see SPX has gone back over it. They each have their own. One's a set of digits, ones and zeros. The other one's a set of arrows, red arrow, green arrows. And it's just amazing. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. That's US NAS. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, fill in the gap NAS. 1 minute sell stop, fill in the blue line NAS. Uh, this is the upcoming upgrade. Everybody's already in the scanner. And then you can always play, if you don't want to play the 1 minute, wait for the 15-minute buy stop on NAS. Either or. I wasn't want to misspeak to you guys, but either way you want to play it, do it. If you don't like 1 minute, play those 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But as you're looking at, the scanner is trading on all 8 time frames. The scanner is reading everything if they're above or below, and you can see clearly that it's above on the buys. You can see clearly that it's already filled out every one of them. So that SPX, when it was red just a second ago, couldn't get here in time, that would have been the one to enter in for a buy stop. It was 2 out of 3 already to buy. That's all. So it's just going to be amazing. By the way, the scanner upgrade will be a separate scanner. It will be free upgrade to everybody that's in the scanner system already with us. If you don't have the scanner system, this will be costing you $500 a month or $5,000 for the year, and I'm probably going to raise that actually. So the scanner 2 out of the 3 is a free upgrade to each and every one of you. If you're already in the scanner when this comes out, which should be a couple months from now. You're in the money on that sell to the NAS, by the way. NAS to the blue line, you're in the money on that sell. You can take the money or lock it in. All right, that's what's upcoming. I'm so excited about that. I'm actually thrilled about that one. Let's go back up here. You're in the money again on your US30. You can see clearly how much. 70 pips. What am I up over here? $440. Sell ERUSDs in the money. Hold on, let me see ERUSD. Oh, yep. The sell ERUSD went to the blue line exactly as called. I didn't have a full lot on it. I was easy to change. So this is 100% in profit. You can see it clearly. I have a few other trades open, a few other trades coming. This account was started like 3 weeks ago. This is my, well, it was a small account. This is the trades right here. We're up $6 on that ERUS trade. We're up $544 on the US30 buy. And this all just made us money on this. In long term, we have a US30 buy and a NAS buy, even though NAS is going down. I'm staying until it might take profit, which is a stop loss in NAS's money. So those ERUSD was a perfection call, went straight down, right down to its 1 minute line, as called out live when someone asked about it, and I called it out for you. And that's your money. So it's ERUSD, you're in the that one. What the fuck is US30? Does it keep going up or something? Yep. US30 is just doing this thing. There's nothing you can do about it. You could have been in here multiple times if you wanted. I have some extra trades open, ready to go in case it dips. UVB, JPY, got some trades ready to go, and so on. And there you go. I guess I could talk about the other thing we're doing. Might be done for the week, Coach. Naz, fire on Naz. Thanks, Bree, Kevin. Thanks, Keith and Bree. Thank you, Saw. Good morning. Morning, Tommy. Patrick's done for the week. Patrick, I know he's not. He'll keep trading. Trust me. Thank God. Bree. Thanks, everybody. The life changing systems. Yep. Mark, I took my money in SPX home until it goes up on the 5-minute. SPX be sneaky sometimes too. Yep. Just follow the system. All right. So let's take a look really quick at what we're doing here, and we'll take a look at it again. Look at this. Looks like we're going to have another sell stop to the blue line on NAS. Sell stop to the blue line on NAS for like the 50 millionth time. You can go ahead and take this one if you want, and just make sure you hop in and out of it. This isn't one you're going to hold on for. You have to open up a new one. If you want, you can go ahead and wait for this and open up a buy stop. Buy stop NAS, 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop on NAS. If you want, feel free. I'm going to take away these ones. So let's mark this in. So all three indices went down and touched their blue lines from the call I made this morning. And now it's fair game for the buy stops to kick into place. Feel free. Sneaky deep. It looks like US30 is dropping. Let's see. We probably made some money. You're in the money on your NAS 5-minute buys. You're in the money on your NAS 5-minute buys. I would reload on the buy stops again on US30 is what I would do. And wait right here for it. Let me see what else. 1-minute buy stop. I can't call anything else on it. Yeah, 1-minute. I'm sorry. 1-minute sell stop. SPX. 1-minute sell stop. Fill in the gap. But I would wait. See if it comes back up. 15-minute buy stop. SPX. That's what I would do. USD looks like a falling on that. NAS. You're in the money on your buy. If you took a buy on NAS, you're up 15 pips. Take your money out. You don't have to stay in that. If you're in the money on the buy, US30 recharged and went down for you, you're going to be able to have another opportunity for a buy stop if you'd like to take it. Buy stop, 1-minute US30 buy stop. If you don't, you can play that 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. That's up to you. I prefer the buy stop. We're just going to look right there and wait for it. Next up, SPX again. Nothing. It's a sell, like it filled in the gap right here, like I said, but there's nothing I can call on that. NAS still doing its thing. Again, if you didn't take profit off of a 14 pip US NAS 100 buy stop, that's you. Just making money hand over fist. All right, where we at? US30 1-minute buy stop has re-engaged. You're in the money on the buy stop right here. Take your money out or lock in profit again for like the 50 millionth time. You're in the money on the US30 buy stop. Take your money. US30 is $297 up. US30, you're in the money on your sell on ERUSD. You're in the money on your buy on US30s multiple times on US30. Take the money and get out. Get out of Dodge. I'm going to go ahead and pop this one out. There you go. So now we're up 429 and 220. ERUSD must be still falling. Let me check on something here. Yep. ERUSD is looking gorgeous. The ERUSD sell stop to the 1-minute is locked in. We're up 14. I'm assuming this must be 14 pips. I don't usually. Yep. We're up 13 pips, 13, 14 pips on ERUSD, which is perfect. You should close that down or lock in profit. SPX has gone back down, touched this blue line for like the once, one time, two times, three times, four times, five times, six times. SPX has turned into ATM SPX. It has touched this blue line, amazingly so. Sell stop on NAS to the 1 minute blue line is coming back up again. Watch it come down now. It's going to come back down there again. Watch it come back down again. And then we have to go to US30, which US30 is just printing money. There's no stopping it. US30 is just printing money. Printing on the buy. So US30 is all in the money. NAS is waiting to come down. Matter of factly. If it engages, I'm going to take this. No. Let me come up first. Damn. Might just pull this trade up. Too quick. Well, if you guys got in up here, you'd be in the money 4 or 5 pips. Take that money. Here it is again. You're in the money again on it. Go ahead and take that money out. Let me see SPX. What it's doing. SPX is going to reload and do it again. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. US30 so far in the money. US30 so far in the money. Holy crap. US30's in the money. ERUSD's in the money. Here's some trades on US30 right here. I'm going to show you. Holy crap. US30, these are long-term buys on NAS, even though NAS is down. I don't give a shit. And US30, we're up 20 pips, 21 pips on the ERUSD trade. We're up so much. We're up over $1,000 this morning on US30. I'm going to take that. I'm going to at least close another one. I don't really close two down. Wow. What the hell? Amazing amount of money being made. Oh, look at, there goes NAS. There goes NAS down. There goes NAS down. Look, this will make you guys laugh. Look at this one. Here's NAS. Buy stop, sell stop. Sell stop 1 minute NAS. Buy stop 5 minute NAS. Look at how perfect Keith Palmer has made this scanner read, just like me. These are both correct. Go follow your rules and look at your rules, which one forms first. Don't come asking me, but look at the power of the scanner before your very eyes. Wow. Thank you, Keith. Keith is the man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Thing of beauty. You're in the money on the sell stop. You NAS 100 to the blue line. Bam, baby. There it is again. Whether it touches the blue line is irrelevant. Whether you make 10, 20, 30 pips each time it does, it is. Well, it didn't touch the blue line. Kevin didn't touch the blue. It fucking gave you 20 to 30 pips hundreds of times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can even count that 7 times, 6, 7 times. So NAS did it 6 or 7 times. SPX did it 6 or 7 times. You're literally seeing the scanner call it out for you before your very eyes. Look at the red means down on the 1 minute and the green means up on the 5 minute. Don't come back at me later on. I didn't know. I didn't know what red meant. Red means down. I didn't know what a red down arrow means. Down arrow means down. And I've had a guy on a live ask me what a green spinning up arrow means. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. Well, forgive me if I get short with you guys sometimes, but it is quite. People can't even follow the simplest directions. Drives me nuts. But look at it. 1 minute, 5 minute, bam. I'm in the machine at work and just bring off his calls. Patrick. This system is. I keep saying it, Patrick. Preach to him, Patrick. This person, Jaron, welcome. Jaron Paul. Welcome to the members of the safety trade system. Everyone want to welcome Jaron Paul, please, whether you're on TikTok or YouTube. Welcome to the system. By the way, we're now done with that 1 minute sell stop. And see if we get anything else. Right. Or it might come back to the sell stop again. I don't know. Congratulations to you. And let's take a look at our ERUSD call, by the way. Yep, look at ERUSD. look at all these pips that were called out. I know I usually don't take these off-brand ones. I don't usually take these sell stops like this on ERUSDs or GBBs or GBB, GBYs or AUD New Zealand's, but today I did, and there it is. There it is on everything you got. Look at it. There you go. So these are the long terms. Yes, I have a long-term buy on NAS, even though it's dropping. Don't give a fuck. Those are my sells and long-term buys on US30. I'm trading 0.11s this morning. Usually it's 0.04s, 0.09s. All depends on the mood I'm in, how much is in the account. This account has gotten a little larger, so I'm trading a little bit more. So there you go. You're talking about 22 pips on ERUSD this morning is enough to retire your ass. All of you should be retired. Here goes NAS again, by the way. I think it's still going to keep going down to this damn blue line. Why? Oh, yeah, this is funny. US30 going up. Look at it. It gave you opportunity to buy once, twice, three times. We took two of them. If you can't see what a buy stop is here, I can't help you on that. If you don't know what a sell stop is, I mean, I can teach you, I guess. Anybody want me to go over? Thank you for a long time coming. I've been trying to purchase since last year, but life problems kept popping. Well, I'm very happy for you, Jaron. My God, man, you worked that hard. I'll do I'm going to do everything I can to help you. Me and Bree will do everything we can to help you succeed. You have to put in a little time and a little effort, though. And by a little, I mean a couple months. Hell, you might not have to since you have all that experience watching. Maybe you don't need all the time. Does anybody want me to go over explain how the system works, or would anybody like to call in? Whether you own the system or not, you just have to have a U.S. number. Anybody at all? Anybody want to be gone over how to trade the system, or does anybody want to call in and ask questions about the system? Feel free. I know I'm putting you guys on the spot, and by the way, you can see that it's clearly going down again. Look at this. And I was still, by the way, let's be clear here. You have every ability. Why did they kick me out of that? That was weird. You have every ability. You have more than enough time. Let me be clear to do a 5-minute buy stop on NAS 100. Let me be clear. You have more than enough time to do a 5-minute buy stop on NAS 100. Let me be super clear. You have more than enough time to do a buy stop on NAS 100. Now, again, I don't think we're done with the sell yet, but you have time. Time is your friend. Sent the DM you can share with the group if you like what the power of the system can do. Apollonia, welcome. Thank you for welcoming him. How long do you hold NAS? That's you need to learn that, Shrub. I can't tell you that right now. Come to advanced training. Training today for all newbies is 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then at 2:30 p.m. is the advanced training. It's always that. Do not email us asking that. Go to your type form and look when group training is. Please. Sell stop NAS 100. Sell stop NAS 100 to the blue line. Sell stop NAS 100. Sell stop NAS 100. I'm not doing it. I've got too much. I'm picking way too many trades this morning. You're only supposed to trade with a couple. You don't need to trade 10 of them. Patrick says something about a DM. Let me go to the DM. Take a look, see on Discord. And Keith. What's up, Keith? All right, that's Keith. Good morning, Keith. Oh, you sent it in. Oh, Patrick, thank you. Birthday week looking great. Happy birthday. How old are you, Patrick? Happy birthday. When is it? All right. Patrick wants me to share these. Let's take a look and see. Wow. Look at that. You did a six lot. Sell stop filling the gap. NAS to the blue line is working out to perfection right now. You're in the money on that. Freaky beat. I don't know what that means. Hang on here. Discord's birthday. Here's Patrick. We're going into our Discord. We have a Discord, but you can't get in it. 46 tomorrow. Happy birthday, Patrick. Good morning, Kevin Bri. I still watching and learning off to work. Go. Thank you for all you do. Really appreciate talking to you soon. What's up, Brayden? You're welcome, sir. Patrick said 46 tomorrow. Happy early birthday, Patrick. Happy early birthday. Happy birthday month. Oh my God, the people are getting out of hand. 37 today. Happy birthday, 123. Happy birthday, I don't know. Happy birthday, I don't know. Congratulations. Another birthday boy or girl, I'm not sure. Happy birthday, guys. And I'm sure Patrick is off to a mighty start here. Let's take a look, see what he said. We're going into the Discord, and no, you can't get into the Discord. Don't even ask. Sorry, but people don't know how to get in there. You have to buy the system, and even then, I don't want you in. And you're in the money again on that NAS 100 sell stop. You're in the money again on the NAS 100 sell stop. Up. This is our Discord. This is Patrick. Let's see if we can open this sucker up. There you go. Okay, fine. Then I'm going to open you up in the browser. Well, that's ridiculous. Why can't I just make it a little larger? There we go. Here's Patrick's trades from today. He bought gold, made $292. He didn't execute the other order. He then bought US30, one lot on US30. Patrick, you playing with ball steel on your birthday, bro. $823. Then he bought 6 lots on NAS. Holy fuck, there must be a big account. I'm really controlling that kind of shit without it. $6,000. NAS sell 1 lot, $500. And there's this thing. And that's what he made today. And that's just current. That's live. That's what's happening. What's up, Mo? Nice. Congratulations, Patrick. Da, 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 da. No one wants to call in today. Come on. We're all that's a wrap, says Patrick. I bet so. Birthday boy Patrick pulling in, geez, the pizza. 7,500 ish, 7,600. I'm making those round numbers, Patrick. Yeah, not me. That's big boys right there. I refuse to play these kind of lots, even when I have accounts that are humongous. I'm not doing that shit. Can't do it. Won't do it. Don't do it. Oh, Keith Rooney. Let's see what Keith. Thank you. All right. Sneaky dinky. Patrick, that's all. It's all in the system. Good morning. Awesome, Patrick. Says Kim. Good morning, Kim. Everyone is having fun with Mark Halls. Absolutely. Smoking, Patrick. Great job. I'm making those round numbers, Patrick. And that's a wrap. All right, guys. TikTok, YouTube. Anybody, sell stop, NAS, 1 minute. Oh, what the hell? I can get in it fast enough. Sell stop 1 minute, but if not, be ready. I already have long-term 5 minute, 15-minute buy stops in place. So be ready for the buy stops if you'd like to take those. Be ready for those. Personally, I think it's about time. If not yet, they might hold it to 11. I'm going to put it all the way back down there. Buy stop 5 minute NAS 100. Sell stop 1 minute NAS 100. 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. If you get in money, take your profit out. You're absolutely in money on your sell. You're up 5 or 6 or 7 pips. I'm going to go ahead and lock the profit in. I mean, again and again and again. Look at how many. I'm zooming in on this. Look at how many times. Every time it went down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? 9, 10. At least 8 to 10 times this has gone down towards the blue line. At least 8 to 10 times it's gone down towards this blue line. At least 8 to 10 times has formed it. Look at it drop. Touch the blue. Touchdown to the blue line. Touchdown to the blue. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. The power of the system in the palm of your hands. The power of Forex in the palm of your hands. The power of Forex. Look at it. Look at it. Blue line. Oh, shit. Where's my blue line guy? Yo, 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 yo. Why isn't it changing? Hold on. Oh, wait a second. What the hell is going on, Andre? This is fantastic. This is fucking, oh my God. What a great time. Holy shit. Da 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 da. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like on our 2 out of 3 scanners. Woo! Who's making the money now, ladies and gentlemen? Who's doing it now? Let's see. Oh, hold on, hold on. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look in a book. In reading Rainbow, reading Rainbow. Let's take a look in a book. Where the hell is my thing at? That is not what I want. Reading Rainbow. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. Okay, I'm going to the other one. Hold on a second. Let me disconnect from here. Wow. What fun is this? What fun is this? Look at the scanner. Yeah, I wonder if that means we're going to have US30 go down to its blue line or close to it or make money. I can do anything. It's in a book. It's in a book. I can do anything. And let's see, is it showing now? Why won't it show us the damn thing that I want? And no, it's not. Okay. Let me see if I can go over to this side here. There we go. That's what I need to do. Watch. Now take a look in stunned bewilderment and craziness of life itself at the greatest scanner. I always said the current one is the greatest scanner, which it is, but until this one comes out. When this comes out, when this comes out, hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen, because you are going to see. And you're already in the money, by the way. If you took this 2 out of 3 as soon as it hit, you'd be up 23 pips on a sell stop on US30. Look at US30 go down towards this blue line, as called out by the greatest upcoming scanner in the history of the world. Look at it. 2 out of 3 came down and touched. 2 out of 3. The 2 out of 3 scanner is now. Look at it. Bam, bingo, bongo, bango. There it is. There it is. There it is. There's the 1 minute. Well, how much is it? I don't know how much profit that would be. Oh, I don't know. That's just 30 pips profit on its way to the blue line, as called out by the scanner that's in beta testing only with me technically right now. And look at it. Look at it. Now, 2 out of the 3 switched to buys. What do you think SPX might do? Just saying. The power of the scanner, of this scanner in the palm of your hand, will be the most life-changing thing next to the safety trade system of itself. It's insanity what you're seeing. Insane what this is doing. Mm, 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 mm. It's amazing. It is amazing. Yes, I'll train you on it. Yes, you'll learn how to do it. Well, I got it. Yes, I got your backs. Always do. And yes, it's free. Literally free to everybody in the system. Oh, by the way, we're up $257 on our NASDAQ. We're up 200 from this trade I placed live with you right here. We're up $257. We're up $10 in ERUSD. We're up $198 on a buy stop on US30. It's in a book. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Look at this shit go. Holy. Holy. There you go. Don't care if it dips down any further, doesn't matter. Those are my take profits. They're locked in. I'm making nothing better. Boom, baby. It's in a book. Reading Rainbow. Da, 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 da. Good morning, Kim Bernard. Good morning, Health, Family, Wealth. I am drooling over that scanner. I know. Look at it. Baby. Oh, yeah. Dudes, anyone that's in the scanning system right now, anyone that's in the scanner system right now, anyone that's in the scanner right now, and you stay in there for the next month or 2 months, you will not have to pay for that scanner I just showed you. You will not have to pay. If you're not in the scanner and you want to get it again, and I don't care if you thought, well, I was in the scanner, I don't give a fuck. If you're not in the scanner right now, you'll be paying $500 a month to get the scanner, or $5,000 for the year. That's what I'm telling you. Um, so there you go. Now let's go ahead and go into another little thing you guys are going to be getting. Anybody want to call in? Anybody want to call in? Preferably no one that's called in yet, just someone new. Whether you want to learn about the system, see how it works. Anybody wants to call in that's from America, please feel free to do that. The only reason is I get to, I'm not doing the fucking WhatsApp. I can't. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Tommy Toodles. It's in a book. Tommy, it's in a book. Reading Rainbow. SPX. SPX is in the house. Buy stop being called out. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's in a book. So now we have NAS, sell stop came true. SPX is a buy stop. US30 is a buy stop. Let's see. You can do your own little math on this. You can figure things out as it comes at you. The original scanner is still perfect. The sell stop is yielding so much money. NAS, it's sickening how much it's yielding. And it's in a book, US30. I'm going to go ahead and close down my ERUSD because it's close enough to taking my profit anyways. It's in a book. Look at US30. Look at NAS. Printing money, printing money, printing money. Let me go to US30 real quick. Wow. It's in a book. Shook is shook. 5-minute buy stop US30. Reading Rainbow. Buy stop 15-minute, 30-minute NAS. It's in a book. 5-minute, 15-minute, no, I'm sorry, 15-minute, 30-minute SPX buy stop. It's in a book. Look at the money. Look at the money. Look at the money. Look at the money. There it is. You guys trade however you want to trade. I use the safety trade system. The NAS is over $300. The US30 is over $300. I have 2 long-term buys on NAS and US30. They have not hit my take profits. I have a GBJPY ready to go. I have a NAS ready to go. And that's what it looks like. That's my trades in one account. I have several. And I can do another bigger like. And then, of course, you're seeing the power of the scanner in the palm of your hand right now. It's just amazing. 1-minute buy stop US30. 1-minute buy stop US30. Unofficially, 1-minute sell stop US30 to the blue line. You guys hate when I do that. I have the NAS headed to the 5-minute blue line. Don't know. They all have to clear the 1 minute first, and they all have not cleared it. So they have not cleared. You can't call a 5-minute sell stop until all 1-minute sell stops have been cleared. And it has not done that. It's in a book. It's in a book. What easy money. Holy shit. Reading Rainbow. Look at it. It's in a book. Almost tapped me out. Almost tapped me out. But she didn't. That buy, and you're in a buy again on US30. The buy I was in is now up $484. It's paying for its system by itself. It's at $500, $495, almost tapped me out. But it just paid for itself. Woo! The one trade, bingo, boppo, bango, $588 paid for the system. $638 paid for the system. Paid for the system all by itself. There you go. It's in the take that money and run unless you open up more than two, then close one down and lock in the other. I'm not done with the buy. I'm going to move this up a little bit on the sell stop on NAS 100. I think it's going to do it one more time. Perhaps. I don't know, maybe. That buy on US30 was perfection. 20 pips, 19 pips, perfection. Just get out. Don't stay in the trade. Look how close it came to tapping my take profit, but it didn't. Woo! All right. Who would like to call in? Tommy Toodles, do you want to call in? Who else? Thank you, Keith Palmer. Absolutely. Does anybody want to learn the system? Anybody watching want to learn the system? That 1-minute sell stop on NAS is kicking in again. Woo! Take some more money. It's in a book. Reading Rainbows. Anyone want to come on? I got a few minutes. Oh, Tommy says got a few minutes. Tommy, awesome, Tommy. I swear we got to make you your own little section every time. Can you shoot over to the email, Tommy, the Forex Safety Trade at system at gmail.com? Your phone number, Tommy. I do believe I have it, though, but hold on. This might be my new phone. Jeez. So Tommy, let's see if I have Tommy's phone number. I don't know if I kept it though, or have it even in here. Let me see. No, cancel. Discord changes. Tommy, and that'd be negative. Tom? Yes. Hold on. I only have a Gmail. Fuck. I'll send him my phone number. Or you might have it, Tom. I don't know. 259. Yeah, I think we should have a weekly section with him and Patrick. I think that's my number. Oh, what? Ah, shit. I mean, try sending. If you could just email over your phone number, Tommy, that'd be awesome. I'll give you a holler. That sell stop on the 1 minute is clicking in again. We're up $300 on the sell stop, filling the gap. NAS 100. It's in a book. Reading Rain. It's the Forex Safe Trade System at gmail.com, Tommy. Stick around. You don't want to miss this interview. I agree with everybody on that one. Oh, check Discord. Okay, Tommy, checking Discord. Tommy is in the house. Tommy, got it. Calling you right now. Tommy, let me turn on my little speaker thingy. Reading Rainbow. I can do anything. Calling Tommy right now. I'll quit singing Tommy. I won't sing anymore. People always, you singing annoys me. Your singing is, how can you be happy when you're trading? Get the fuck out of here. Tommy knows how I am. Tommy knows how I am, and Tommy knows that shit ain't changing for nobody. Oh, so does Globe. Goes 45 years. You don't think I'm changing for any of you? You're clueless. That shit. Not happening. Anywho, here we go. Let's see. We're going to call them up. Reading Rainbow. I can't. Uh oh, two out of the three. Two out of the three. 2 out of the 3 hit. The only one that hasn't come down yet is US30. Woo, I have a feeling. It's weird because we've talked multiple times before. Call right now, Tommy. Sure if you didn't give me a bad number. Tommy. Yeah. You're very entertaining. Most people are used to losing. Tommy.
Man.
What's up, Tom?
It's been a while.
It has. Tommy is the one you guys have to thank for the Discord because he's the one who made the whole freaking entire thing. So thank you, Tommy, for that.
No problem.
And congratulations on being a new father. By the way, I know it's how long? A few months now.
She on Friday she just turned 3 months.
3 months. Yay! Congratulations on that. So, Tommy, I'm so excited to have you on. I think we should make you a permanent segment once a week. Do you have time for that or no?
I wish I did. I really wish I did.
And by the way, the 2 out of the 3 scanner is now clicked in again. Did you see that yet? Tommy, remember we put it up on the screen?
Oh yeah. I just hopped onto the YouTube screen.
Yeah, just mute. Yeah.
Yeah.
That Tommy is exceptional. Oh, lost connection. Gosh, I don't know why it keeps kicking me out. Now I do have a professional license, but I keep using it. It kind of causes some issue. Let me try to log back in. So this scanner that is in prototype development doesn't have the Keith Palmer touch on it yet. Is trading to the blue line 2 out of the 3 on every time frame, and then let me get this over to here. We see it yet? Yep, there we go. So right now, for instance, it's calling for the third. Well, it went back up again. The other 2 shot up again. But when it's trading and you're using it, you would use it like this evening or late last night or this morning. When it called out, I was calling out for 3 of them to go down. 2 of them hit, and the third one went down. That was 30. So that's all. So when it's calling out 2 or 3 out of the 3, it'll be the third one will be shooting. Right now, they're all up, all 8 time frames. It's insanity. This so yeah, it's just a new little handy. By the way, you get it free. Everybody that's in the system that already has the scanner gets it for free. Thank you for you guys.
That's all. I really appreciate you doing that.
Yes, thank you. Now, Tommy, tell them your story.
Thanks for coming up with this. Oh my goodness, every time I trade, I'm always thanking you.
So what brought you to me, Tommy? How long were you trading before me? You're obviously making money prior to me, but you help out the system. What's your whole story?
So before you, I started trading back in 2010, 2011, and for maybe 4, 5, 6 years, I was either just staying steady or slightly losing money.
Mm-hmm.
And it took years of figuring out different indicators, trying to see what works. Everything just seems to have everyone claims to have a little edge, but once you actually put it into practice, it was atrocious. Revisionist history tells a lot, and it always tells a better story than anything. Amen. So I'm always wary of screenshots, which is kind of what made me stop when I was scrolling across your live on TikTok, because you do everything live. And I watched it for, I would say it was 3 weeks before I bought the system. And man, I remember our first little training session because we only had the one.
Mm-hmm.
And
hell, you made money right after that.
Oh, I made money that same night. I paid for the system that same night of the training session.
I remember. But Tommy is an exceptional trader. Let me be clear. So we're talking to Tommy Toodles on TikTok. But Tommy was an exceptional trader before meeting me. Anyone that can break even without the system is exceptional. Anyone that can make a little money is exceptional. So he caught on to the system within 30 minutes. But that is not normal, and I want to make sure I point that out, Tommy. I don't want to interrupt you, but Tommy is exceptionally good trader. It is not normal for any of our people to catch on. Now, there's been a few go off and a few others that caught on very, very quick, like Tommy, but normally it takes 2 to 3 months, I would say. By the way, you're in the money on that sell on US30, just thrown out there. So just saying, Tommy is fantastically great. So that's all. So Tommy, go back to this.
It also helped that I watched the system I watched you trade like almost your entire live session every day for 3 weeks. So I already had a very good base understanding of it before even doing the training session.
Being humble and diligent.
But man, I was being consistent for the past 4 or 5 years or so. I've been profitable. And I've considered trading just a little side hustle. And as I started using the system more and more, it's moved from a side hustle to becoming my main source of income as of this year. The first 3 months of the year, I matched my engineering salary, and I'm well beyond it now. It being weird.
Do you mind giving a rough estimate of how much that is? Is like over 100, under 200, over 200?
As of this year, I've made over 175,000.
Did everyone hear that? Let's be clear on what Tommy just said. He's the second one, actually. You think how damn good Patrick's doing, by the way? Did you hear his story?
No, I haven't.
He's over 160,000 this year from trading from a construction company. 160 this year.
Oh man, that is awesome. I gotta catch up with him. It's been a while.
You're past him, but Tommy, you know how hard he had a hard time in the beginning. Unlike you, he was very much struggling. So yeah,
I remember Ken with him all the time.
Yeah,
I mean, it's fun looking at it. Let's compare notes, and that's what we use the Discord for a lot. Yeah. And I think it helped him out.
Tommy, and much as that pains me to see it, thank you for making Discord. I still need it, but.
I wish there was more functionality that we could do to customize exactly how we want to get it to work, but it's just unfortunate.
I know. It's all right. But whenever there's a problem, it seems to be it's spread through the Discord DMs, which drives me bonkers that we do that. Back to you. So Tom, you made 175 since the beginning of the year, and you showed me the. Are you still doing that? By the way, a lot of people ask for the options. Do you do any of the e-minis, any of the future stuff? So you strictly do the think or swim options, or what options do you do nowadays?
So my options, I use my brokerage is through Fidelity. So my options, I either do the main options, which are SPX, or the ETF on for SPY.
Yeah. Okay. You never do trading.
I have not.
Interesting, because Jose, another dude that's making freaking good money, by the way, he doesn't want to say much, but he's doing extremely good. Jose does the trade of like e-minis and all that crap over there, and he consistently tells me that I'm basically an idiot when I have these like $4,000 trades going. He says it's $40,000 over there. It's 10 to 1. I'm like, oh my god. I mean, I don't really, and then learning and have the time to get it and open them up. I probably could do them over there for a while, but I haven't done shit. So I was hoping you knew to teach me, but I didn't want to go through it again. Oh well.
So you know how you're saying that it's 10 to 1 for you?
Yeah.
The F6s that I do are 101 to you, so mine are 10x more than his.
Do you think they're swim? Do you think they're swim?
No, it's a Fidelity. If I do buy options, it's the same as E-mini.
Yeah, so the buy options go. It's through the think or swim platform through Fidelity. Isn't that what they use? Am I thinking of the wrong one?
No, they have their own platform. It's Active Trader Pro.
Active Trader Pro. Who are the suckers that use? Oh, it's what's their faces, the old insurance company that changed their name.
Yeah.
Who's the guys that use Think or Swim? I have Fidelity account too, though. I have my Amazon and Fidelity.
Think or Swim. Is this Charles Schwab?
No, it's the other. It's gosh darn it. Oh, God, between two of us. Lord help me. It's TD Ameritrade. Used to be TD Waterhouse.
Right, that is.
TD Waterhouse. I was with them before last two name changes, by the way. I've been with them 30 years. I call in and they think I'm like some old grandpa. I just got in. I was 21. But anyway, yeah, I would have to go over to Fidelity. Oh my God, I've known that one. Well, maybe one day when you have an hour or something, maybe we can get together. Oh well. But
I
anyway,
don't know. I don't trade the options as much anymore.
no,
It's just so much higher risk. So much higher risk.
because of the 10-100 movement.
Well, not even that. It's just the spread on it is rough sometimes. So I open a trade, and even if I take the middle, sometimes I start off down like $700-800 just to open the trade.
You know, I was trading Bitcoin for a couple of weeks, fucking MetaTrader 4, and I did a full lot. It was $600 to make. I was like, what the fuck? Their commission is insanity. So I guess it's just like that on yours. It's not cool. Somebody's asking us to read NAS. NAS 100 1 minute. Do you see your charts or no?
Let me pull them up.
Can you check? Someone else got SPY, but again, I've been calling these out every 5 minutes all morning long. But TD Ameritrade says out Lachey. Thank you, Lachey. Or you can just look at my charts if you have the screens open.
We'll pull them up quick. I have all 8 charts open on.
Okay.
And my look loads all the tickers.
I just want to make sure that.
All right.
We'll start with the one.
I'm seeing
we'll go
1 minute sell stop, a 5 minute buy stop. Yeah. 5 minute dirty buy.
It is. So 1 minute sell, 1 minute NAS 100, 1 minute sell, 5 minute, 15 minute buy, and that's all they need. Because anything past that is just either you're going to take the sell or take the buy. Let's do what was SPX? Let's do buy for the other fellow. Oh, well, it was a 1 minute sell stop. What is the buy stop on this one, Tommy?
The price level for
is it a 5 minute, 15 minute, or 30 minute buy for SPX?
It's a 15 into a 30.
Yep, thank you. See, so Tommy, I'm going to read charts. Tommy knows how to trade. Tommy knows how to read the charts also. So just to be clear to you guys, okay? And that was in the sell that you were. Someone's asking for New Zealand USD, NZD USD. And then I want to pull up something else for you, Tommy, unless you want to go over anything. I want to share that new sniper little thing we have. So New Zealand USD. And good morning, help in 60 seconds, by the way. Oh, shit.
NZD USD. Looks like it's forming a 1 minute buy if my MT4 doesn't freeze.
Boy, it is definitely in a hard sell right now. So whatever 2 weeks, unless he's going to go up to the. Yeah, this is just hard. Where's it?
I'm gonna look at your stream.
It's going to the phone.
My MT4 froze.
So this is 1 minute on the right here.
Yeah, that's all red.
Yeah, you can't really call anything. You should have put a 1 minute sell back, whatever that is, like an hour ago. But it might, and probably I would play any 1 minute sells to the 5 minute blue line right here, which is green. And then what do we got here on the 30 minute? Can you see that? No, there's a delay.
The 30 minute looks like it's forming a buy.
Yeah, that's actually red down there. So it is a 30 minute, 1 hour. The little spot. I would enter that one off right there. Sorry.
Yeah, what's 1 hour looking like? How close to the line? Oh, it's right on it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, that looks like a really good 30 into the 1.
Yep, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour. So Tommy can read the charts. Tommy reads the charts excellently. I didn't know about the scammer I told you about. You already know about the scammer we're currently using, which is accept. You believe that motherfucking thing's calling out 2,000 trades a day on average, 50,000 trades a month is what it's calling.
Great.
Like, I mean, people they don't want to spend $50 a month for, and it's calling out blue line trades. The SS ones, that those are perfect sell stop to the blue
Those,
line trade. And there's SS
those are my favorite ones for the
Yep,
blue line. They're my favorite ones because they're so
absolutely,
easy to see.
absolutely, money, money, money. So yeah, I'm going to show you the other thing though, which was this over here. Let me pull it over here. This thing right here. You remember because I was going into, I used to have a lot more indicators for you guys, and then that was just totally beyond everyone's comprehension stuff for yours, so I couldn't keep it going that way. But I dumbed it down and made it just like these little bars and stuff like that for everyone. But nonetheless, this is a combination of one of those that you used to have. We won't talk about details, but this is a combo one, and this is strictly going to be for scalping 1 minute. But I mean, it's going to be so effing accurate. It is going to be so. So when you see a fill in the gap sell stop right here or here, you can see the purple pulls away from the green right here, even though it's not a full on sell stop at that point, but it does it. When you see that, you might as well just back up a Brinks truck. That's just going straight down. There's no way it's going. Same when it's an actual buy or sell stop. Right here, look at this. This is perfection. Watch this one once you get time and it logs in for us. Look at this trade, which used to be, and it's still perfection. Oh, I don't want people confused. Grab this. This
You
is
know what I haven't noticed before? That very bottom indicator that you have there, that final destination one.
yes, that's what I'm talking about. This is the one that's going to separate. It's going to be, I'd say it's a small upgrade if you guys want to get it, but it's a whole new system for everyone. It's just, I'm selling this as a sniper, system, scalping only. And it's only going to work on certain symbols, and it's only going to be for when I have it tweaked to these symbols, and you see the normal sell stop, and you see this purple line up here on the very bottom, that purple line that goes down to the green. It's going to work every time. I mean, it's going to work 99.999 of 100 on a 1 minute trade. That's the accuracy you're going to see. That's what I think this indicator down, these indicators down here to do that. And it's that accurate. On NAS, US30, SPX, the GBP pairs and gold. And I'm going to have take profits built in for them too. But it's just exceptional. Look right here. See this one right there? How that's a sell stop. And how it was separated. The green was on the bottom, the purple was high. It came down.
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly what it's going to do every time. You get this trade. Just scalping now, you'd have been up 30, 40 pips. This is going to be a game changer too for everybody because I find that people really love the 1 minute, 5 minutes. I think they're addicted. I think it's like gambling to them personally, but they like it. So I personally, me, I like the 1 hour, 4 hours, but so many like the 1 minute, 5 minutes. Well, I better give them some shit. So I started this version of this eight trick system for 1 minute trades. And ERUSD. That's all. Good things are coming. And of course, you get all
Nice.
that for free for building the Discord anyway. So,
Oh, I'm looking forward to see anything that you come up with, man.
can Tommy believe how it keeps evolving to what it is, or how you keep hearing this basic system? Yeah, I like the original, but whatever. I do like the new, cleaner. I think it's much more. You only need the bullshit detector and the Bach. That's the only two you ever need to trade with. But I threw in the other ones just for confirmation for confidence. Oh, Russell Brown says US30 blue line touch. We're over here talking our asses off. No way. It did? Holy shit. Yep. Yep. Oh, we better check NAS. Hold on. Where's NAS? NAS, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Put it down below here if you don't want to risk anything. Just put it between the fucking green and the red. People always want everything. Put it down there. Wait. Yes, yes. Yep. Oh my God. US30. Boom. So US30 to the blue line, 1 minute click gas. Oh, it took profit on my other one. Nice. That was hard for me. All right, Tommy. Is that a free upgrade if you already have the system? No, that is not a free upgrade. The sniper system will cost you. It's only a free upgrade to Tommy because Tommy built the Discord, and I like Tommy, and I can. He's been with me from near the beginning. Not even. How when did you come in? Were you back with me? I don't think you were with me in January and February of last year, previous year, were you?
No, I think it was like April, maybe March, April.
Yeah, a little bit late. I remember Moray, John, and his wife Sarah were one of the originals. Yeah, you came in right after, and cool. All right. So what else, Tommy? What else you want to talk about? What else you want to say? Can I show your one trade you sent me? I think I do anyway.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, anything that I send you for trading, yeah, feel free to share it.
Awesome.
Which one was it?
65.
I guess I'll see. Yeah, just go ahead and share it, whichever one it is.
Yeah, it was a 65,000 one on German 30.
Oh,
This one right.
yeah, it's such a wild card. And this trade. I set this trade and then I went to sleep and I woke up and now it's my profit.
Nice. You know, sometimes that works out better because we don't get suckered into like tiny minute movements, which play with our psychology. So sometimes you just I wake up in the morning and well, sometimes like oh, nice.
I mean, I saw it, and you can see the timestamp there. What, 3:50 a.m.
Yeah, 3:50.
I saw it and then I went to sleep. I'm like, I was waiting for it for a good entry, and now it's as good as any. I'll set a stop, willing to take a loss if it hits, and then I woke up a happy guy.
Oh my God! Yeah. Obviously, that's more money than people make in a year. I would say 90% of Americans. I think the was like what, 50,000.
That was the only trade I made that month.
For the whole month, yeah, because you haven't been on much, right?
The only trade I made that month. I was waiting for it, and I saw it, and I hit it. It just literally took up overnight.
So this is Tommy we're on the phone with, and this gentleman that's oh, what's your win loss rate? What's your this and that? I go, focus. I trade every day live, fucking 10 months, 11 months now, documented. But well, there's Tommy's credentials. There's his trades. He just made $65,000 in the trade. Sent it to me and shows you his ins, price, made one, and there you go. I was surprised because it wasn't options. That's why I looked at it. I was like, And then I was like, oh, he's selling off 10 of these fuckers. 10 lots at a time. That's 10 lots, guys. And that's a big account. He's holding a large account to trade that. Awesome job. Tommy, has your dog done any trades for you, Patrick?
And I what?
Has your dog done any more trades for you?
Oh, no, not recently. At the beginning, she would jump on my lap and like my keyboard, and she would hit the F9 button, which is the open new order.
Oh,
and then just flick out of excitement, like taps up with her tail, and she opened up a trade. I think she lost me like $5,000 at one point.
Oh, that ain't
I know.
Did you get a new dog?
Well, $5,000 is like a $10,000 or $12,000 profit I had made that day. But yeah, I was still happy because I still made money on it.
That's awesome. Well, I don't want to take up all of your time, but thank you so much for coming on. Any final words for the people listening? On average, we have about 1,000, depending on the given day, watch the video either now or later or something. That's about 1,000 people. Is there anything you like to tell them or not tell them or share with them or not share them? What was the clicking? You didn't have a clicking moment, did you? Because you had such a good grasp at trading already. I don't think the system was like an aha for you, was it? Like, oh, I got it. I'm making money. You know what I'm saying?
My quick moment happened while I was watching before I even got the system.
Oh, okay. That's what made you get the system.
And that's what made me get the system.
Okay.
Because I've looked into so many different products, so many. I've probably dished out maybe 10 grand worth of people's systems over the years. Just like, all right, this looks like it's decent. Let me test it out for a couple months. And I would find out that just my trading, my systems that I would use previously were higher win rate, even though that they would advertise, hey, you can get 70% win rate, 80% win rate, and it was never true. It's always revisionist history. And with your system, I mean, the only thing that I would harp on is patience. Wait for the entries, and it will serve you well. Because I don't think I've had a losing day since I've had the system.
Boy,
That's been over a year.
excellent. Not have a losing day, which I can
Yeah.
feel you because
Don't
it's
get me wrong. I've had losing trades.
oh yeah,
I've not had a losing day.
I agree with you exactly. Yep. We all have losing trades because it's user error. But we're talking about revisionist history for a second. I'm gonna read what Patrick said. He said Tommy is really one of the big reasons I quit. And that's motivated many people, by the way.
Oh,
Many
good.
people, yeah.
Well, I'm glad because he's making a lot of money now. So that's what we're here for. We want everyone to win.
Yep.
It's the institutions that want everyone to lose, and that's who we're fighting against.
What are the odds of everyone using all those things I always repeat? Fibonacci retracements, naming of candles, naming of patterns, support and resistance, look to the left, price action, support, trend line, bullshit. And 99% of the time it's wrong. What are the odds that we're all trained in that and that only 1% of us is less than 1% win with those things? They taught us wrong, in other words, Tommy. Do you believe that or do you think I'm on some conspiracy? I think they taught us wrong.
Of course, they're teaching the masses wrong because the only way to make money is literally to take it out of someone else's account.
Yep.
That's the only way that they can make money. So if they're teaching you how to make money, then you'd be taking it out of their account. They're not in the business of losing money. That's not a conspiracy. That's just psychology.
God. And why do these people, especially on TikTok, embarrassing, they fight tooth and nail? No, volume and VWAP works 99% of the time. Well, bullshit. It does not work 99% of the time.
Oh.
Why do they?
It works just enough for you to have confidence in it until it demolishes your account.
Why do they defend it? Are they like newbies? They don't know any better, or why they're so dogmatic saying that this Fibonacci? I tried Fibonacci retracement for a year and a half, literally fighting with it. And I'm not a dummy. I'm okay with trading, but
I guess the only other thing that I would harp on, because I did this test myself, is just risk management. Make sure you have your stop losses set for no more than you're willing to lose. Just good risk management is just having that. You will be a winner if you just have good risk management.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and interrupt you. Don't trade US30, guys. That's called risk management. You're going to get your ass fucking handed to you because you can't handle a 50 stop loss on a 0.1, which is $560 in your $1,000 account. That's going to happen. So Tommy's correct. Mm-hmm. Yes. Trade NAS. Trade SPX.
Also to kind of like help on all the other indicators and stuff. For a 4-month period of time, I traded this. I'm going to call it the monkey method because I was just trying to improve my risk management, and I put $1,000 into an account. Literally just flip the coin, heads or tails, heads long, tails short. Just with good risk management, I ended up making money.
Yeah.
No indicators whatsoever, just risk management.
Oh my God.
And I ended up making money.
Yeah, well, it's more accurate than because you're 50-50, which is more accurate than the fucking 1% using all the stupid shit we were taught. So
exactly. It's crazy. That's the one thing I would hop on the most. Even with your system, good risk management makes it that much better.
It does. I would hesitate with that is if you have the size to handle an analysis at 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hours will never miss. I've never seen it. Now it's been 3 years plus using the system. So those 1 hour, 4 hours are just undeniable. You just have to be able to hold because it's going to dip. It's 1 hour candles for like 5 or 6 or 10 hours. Of course, it's going to go down a little. But at any rate, but yes, I agree with risk management 100%. I don't particularly, you know me, I don't trade heavy, even though some of my accounts are really big. They told me never to tell them what I'm doing. I have 7 Eagle FX accounts, 2 Hugo Wave accounts that I personally have, but I kind of can't say that I'm not managing for anyone else. Some of these accounts are getting large. So even though I have large accounts, I still trade. I mean, I think when I make like $11,000 here or $7,000 or $3,000 there, I'm still out of my money. I know my one friend says I lost my balls for trading. I won't trade big. This won't do it. So,
Well, no, I mean, that in itself, that's risk management.
yeah.
As your account size as it doubles, are you doubling the lot size?
No.
No, that you're taking a smaller risk even though you have more money. That's the definition of risk.
Yeah.
Or
Some
one
of
of
these
the
accounts are
definitions
so
of risk
big and
management.
some of the trades are so small. You go, what are you doing?
Yeah, there's no way you're going to blow your account up when you do that.
No.
You're staying in the game. The winning percentage,
Yeah.
that's key.
Yeah. I made a mistake and dozed off yesterday, woke up $400 down over $20. Yeah. How many times did you think you were opening up one symbol and it was opening up another, or you thought you were doing a sell and it was a buy? You ever do those things? I still do it from
I've
time
done
to
that more times than I want to admit.
Yeah, I still do. Oh shit, we're going up by the way. It looks like we're rising. Look at that. I see my little $7,000 over here. I'm thrilled. But this account was 3 weeks ago and it was under $500, and now it's 12,000, 13. So I'm thrilled because this is for. It isn't for a friend or it isn't for a family member that really needs it because it's my account, but you make you know an account that was small that was able to make large for this person or at least somebody. You know me, I hate. Oh, by the way, Tommy, how many prop firms do you have accredited for, and how many? What's your largest dollar amount?
For the prop firm accounts,
Yep.
I'm actually doing another edition for another 100K account right now. That one's almost at the threshold to go live.
Okay.
I have two accounts at 500, two 500K accounts, and I have one $1 million account.
So you made the million. You're at 957 the last I had heard. So you're at $1 million prop firm plus two 500,000. Plus you're working on another one right now. Correct.
Yeah, the $1 million account, because the platform I went through, the way that they allow you to go through the additions was I started with the lowest value one for like $250 or something for a $25,000 addition, and once you gain 20% of the account size, they'll give you an option. Hey, do you want to live with the addition account size that you just did, or do you want to upgrade to the next account size and retry your addition for a $50,000 account? So I did that all the way up to the $1 million account. So instead of the $1 million account being like 7 or 9 grand, whatever, I got it for $50. I just kept upgrading until I got to $1 million.
Nice. So out there, guys, listen to what Tommy's telling you because so many of these guys want to do the funded accounts, right? Oh, well, does it work on funded accounts? Does it work on a funded account? Okay, well, he has $1 million funded account. How many of you out there have $1 million funded account? How many? Anybody out there? I'll wait. Anybody out there has a $1 million funded account like Tommy, or another two $500,000 accounts? My math is not great, but 500 plus 500 is $1 million. So he actually has two 1 million accounts, or I guess through however you want to do it now. Which prop firm do you use as JD? I know you do multiple. What's your favorite?
The one that I've been going through is called Surge Trader. I use them just particularly because I had bad experiences with some other ones, and also I'm not constrained to a trading period of like 60 or 90 days for phase one, and then they allow me to go to phase two, which is another 60 or 90 days.
Oh, yeah.
Because when I do my trades, I can get through that 20% of the account size pretty quick. When I find a really good entry, with those other top firms, you can find the entry, you can complete your whole assignment, and then you have to wait the whole period. And I'm not willing to do that because time is money.
Yeah, you don't want to spend right 90 days trying to. One guy, Joe Colson, I have. That's awesome, Joe. Congratulations. And I think Health Family Wealth is making a joke. He said he has a $1 million. Someone else asked which prop firm you use. You told them. Awesome. And in my view, and this is just my view, people get on to me about this, but my view on prop firms are that's awesome. You make money, you keep 80, 90% of it. I think you're making 90% of that $1 million one, I believe. You paid extra for that. So he's making 90% of every dollar he pulls out of that. That's freaking fantastic. You know, money that's freaking fantastic. but this is just me. This isn't a judgment on anyone. But for me, I unofficially would do and prefer to help family members with their accounts, henceforth the 9 accounts being off of those other ones that I'll trade me, myself, and I, not for other people. But if I can give some kind of guidance that's not I'm not a financial advisor, to help them make money in those accounts rather than help, don't be expensive, nothing to do with you, but help richer people get richer and get their money up. I'm going to do that every time. Now, you can do both. I'm sure Tommy does, and I'm sure you do. But that's my view on why am I not funny? Why am I not funny? Because the fuck that I do so much insanity, and I'm good. I'm good with helping them out. That's just me.
You know, I'm right there with you, Kev. Since I've gotten these other accounts, all the profits, whenever I take it out, I throw 50% of it into just a separate little bank account just for tax purposes.
Yeah.
Just to be more than whatever the taxes are. I'm going to have some profit in there afterwards. The other 50%, I've been going through, like all my nieces and nephews, setting up a
There you go.
kind of little, hold on, I gotta get to my account.
Is it for their education as one of those K1s? What do they call that?
Yeah, 529 account
Okay.
for all my nieces and nephews, throwing in whatever the maximum tax-free amount is for that. I think it's 15,000 or something like that.
Awesome. Wow.
For each one of them. And then, I mean, since the rest is just profit, I have an engineering job. I don't need the trading money, even though
Right.
it's my primary income at this point, I'm considering it.
Right.
I'm just
Tommy makes
working because
good
I enjoy
money.
what I do.
Tommy works full
Very hesitant, but
time.
I enjoy what I do.
Tommy works full time. Hello. Well, I can't do it because I work full time. What? You work full time as an engineer, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you trade and you make
Oh,
money and you help
I
your
mean,
family out. Hello.
it's I would say it's beyond full time. Last week I worked 110 hours
Damn. In a week?
in a week. There's some issues going on at the hospital, so they needed all hands on deck almost all
And I
day.
know you love what you do,
Almost all day.
Tommy. My God, man, I am so grateful. I'm 20 years older, 3 years older than you. So yeah, I'm not. No. I cut back the hours I'm
I
doing
don't like those kind
lives.
of weeks,
What's that?
but I mean, they do happen on occasion.
Yeah, no. Well, I mean, you love your job. You love what you do. Work it. Oh shit! You've been holding up your stuff. I haven't been looking at the damn charts. All right, well, that's long enough. That's going on 11. I'm gonna have to run anyways too. What else you got, Tommy? What else you want to tell everybody?
It's a system. It's a system. Watch it, learn it, be profitable.
Okay. Thank you, Tommy. We're talking to Tommy Toodles on TikTok. Hey, what's your name on YouTube?
On YouTube, it's low kick, you know.
Oh, okay. He's also on YouTube. He's one of he is the only founding person who created Discord for us. And no, you can't get into this. Sell stop 1 minute. You're looking at US30 1 minute. What the hell's over here?
Oh, it's
Kick.
not low kick, it's just kick.
It's Kick. Okay, yeah. So he's Kick on YouTube. You need to reach out to him. He is not a bullshitter. This isn't a paid advertisement. Quite frankly, I didn't know Tommy from a hill of beans before we met. Oh, 1 minute. But yeah, so it's just he just came on. You just come on talking. So hopefully, if you guys, does anyone have questions for him? I guess real quick. TikTok, YouTube. Does anyone have questions for Tommy? He called out a few trades for you guys. Told his story. Talked to you about how his trading was going. How he's made 175,000 so far this year using the system. Anybody have any questions? Sog, Savani, Dude, awesome. Anybody going once? All right, tough shit. All right, Tommy. Thanks, sir. Really,
No problem, man. Yeah, we definitely got to do a phone call more often.
yeah. Maybe if you squeeze me in once a month. I know.
I could definitely try to do that.
All right, cool. Let's try for that. All right, man. You're the best. Thank you, Tommy. Honor to have you on. Great trader. Can't speak highly of it. Thank you again for all your help and for being here, supporting me, and doing everything you can for the system. I do appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me on, and thank you for developing the system and for keeping on upgrading it. You're making it better and better every time I come back.
Trying. All right, Tommy. Thank you, buddy. God bless. All right. Talk to you.
All right. Have a good one.
Ah, Tommy. Everyone give a standing O for Tommy. Tommy is in the house. Yay. Kick fucking ass, Tommy. That's what I call kicking ass. And his name is Kick because he kicked ass with trading. He's fantastic trader. He was being humble. He was an exceptionally good trader before me. He's an exceptionally good trader now. Tommy is unbelievably effective at using the system. Again, just like Kim read the charts for you, just like Tommy read the charts for you, just like Moto read the charts for you, I'm trying to show you that people can read the charts just like me that have bought the system. So if Tommy can learn it, you can learn it. If John can learn it, you can learn it. If Kim can learn it, you can learn it. If D Nice can learn to read the charts, you can learn to read the charts. If Eric can learn to read the charts, you can learn to read the charts using the system. That's all I'm going to keep telling you. 1 minute sell stops cost per and all three. All right. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok before I go over to YouTube to do the final 14 calls again? Look at Tom. Everyone's saying, thank you, Tommy. Thanks, Tommy. He was always such a nice guy. He's a great guy. He's a great father, a great guy, great man. I mean, just a blessing that he caught on to the system early. And the reason Tommy saw what was happening and realized what was happening is because Tommy was a real trader. This is what happened. You'll have everyone come by and they'll stop by. All you guys out there are stalking. 39 of you on TikTok and 50, 60, 80 of you on YouTube. There'll be 1,000 of you watching it. You guys all stalk. He stalked me for what he said, 3-4 weeks. What he saw when he stalked me was that it was real. Real, recognized real, whether it's in boxing, UFC, whether it's in football, whatever it is. So when Tommy saw the system, he hesitated and looked, this motherfucker's trading live. This dude's calling out trades a lot, sell stop on 3 indices. You know, how is he doing this shit? Oh, it looks like a buy stop on, hold on. Yo, hold on. Nas, hold on a second. Might not be. Well, it is a buy stop. Yeah, that's interesting. Hopefully you guys caught all that money on the way. Any rate, so getting back to Tommy. So Tommy saw it. He said, "Hey, this guy's trading on live on every live reel for 3-4 weeks, right?" Then he saw that this shit is real, and then he bought the system. What happens with everyone else that doesn't buy the system is, "Oh, this is too good to be true. This can't be happening," because they're not good traders. They don't understand that someone could actually have figured out the system and is doing good with the system, excellent with the system. Sell stop 1 minute, SPX, sell stop US30. What's our sticking? Oh, we're back to buys. All right, but at any rate, that's all. So Tommy, thanking you. Heading over to YouTube. God bless you guys on TikTok. Have a good morning. I have training at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for everyone that bought the system before today. And then there's advanced training at 2:30 p.m. Please do not write asking for it. It was literally, those are the times. They're unchangeable now. Those are the times. And if you're supposed to be in the class, you will get an email link to that before then. If you're supposed to be at the 2:30 advanced training, you will get an email. Whoever purchased it is open for those classes. All right. Bye on TikTok. Heading over to YouTube. See y'all later on TikTok. And we're done. All right. YouTube. Any questions? YouTube. Any general questions you have? YouTube. Tommy, again, thank you so much. Tommy, I can't thank you enough. Exceptional man, exceptional trader. I mean, from what I see, just an outstanding father. I'm sure he's an outstanding friend to people in his real life. We aren't real life here. This is just pretend online stuff, but he's still a good, you can tell a good man. He's a good guy. All right. Anything on TikTok? Never mind. Awesome. Lost time. Thanks. Awesome. That's an amazing call made today. Thank you, Shannon. Oh, Shannon reading the charts, by the way. I'm so sorry, Miss Shannon Ivory. Absolutely. Is another. I like to put Shannon on once a week, too. Really got to line you guys up. All right. So I'm going to leave you out with some calls right here if you don't have any questions. Starting with gold. Let's see how she's looking. Gold. I'm going to go ahead and say this went down pretty well. Gold, look for a 1-minute buy stop, and then it turns into a 5-minute sell stop. That's all you need to know about gold. Amazon. Oh, yeah. What did Amazon do at the morning? It dipped. It dipped. Told you. Did it go? Did it go? Nope, didn't ever make it down that far. Okay. It was a 1-minute sell stop for Amazon. Now it is a 1-minute buy stop for Amazon. And that's all you got for Amazon. Well, I can't go any higher. That's what you're looking for. Oil, oil, oil. That oil 1-minute sell stop or 5-minute sell stop just paid so much money. $69 to 63, 66, I should say, about $3. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line, NAS, 1-minute sell stop, SPX, 1-minute sell stop, US30, by the way, just so we're clear. It's up there saying that. You know. US oil, 1-minute, buy stop. US oil, 5-minute sell stop. Wait for it to go up a little more arch up and then go down. EURGUB, EURGUB, 1-minute buy stop. EURGUB, 1-minute buy stop. Oh, it hit the 5-minute blue line. Awesome. Look for any 1-minute buy stops. It's going to keep going up for a while. EURGBP. Then it is a 1-hour, 4-hour sell stop. GBB, JPY, GBB, JPY. 1-minute sell stop too late. GBB, to the blue line. I made money on that one, did we not? GBB, JPY. I'm sorry if we didn't. We shouldn't. Look for any 1-minute sell stops. It's going to go down to it touched the 5-minute. It might go all the way down to that 15-minute. Ride it. Any 1-minute sell stop on GBB JPY to the 15-minute line. 1-hour buy stop. 1-hour buy stop. 1-hour, 4-hour buy stop to the monthly on GBB JPY. UDCHEF, USD chef, the complete opposite of USD, whatever they call is the opposite. It was a 1-minute sell stop too late to the 5-minute line. Did I not call that? Now I rode that. I took that trade and it wasn't much. We made like $3 or some shit. But no, that was a perfect call. I'm not calling any more on that. I'm good. XRP, 1-minute sell stop perfection to the 5-minute blue line. It touched it. That's perfection. It's going to go down to the 15-minute blue line, play any sell stops to the 15-minute blue line. It's going to form a 30-minute buy stop, XRP, and then it's going to form a weekly sell stop, XRP, and a monthly buy stop. Ethereum is the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Perfect 1-minute, 5-minute sells, perfect 15-minute sell stops, perfection, 30-minute sell stops, perfection. I mean, what more do you want? This is just gorgeous. Too late now. You forgot me when I told you. And then it is a daily buy stop, weekly sell stop Ethereum, monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin is the exact same thing as Ethereum. 1-minute sells have played out perfectly. The 5-minute sells have played out perfectly. 15-minute buy, 30-minute sell, 1-hour sell. It's actually a 1-hour, 4-hour sell. Bitcoin is a daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. GBP USD. By the way, I have to show you this. You're looking at GBP USD. US30 1-minute is going down to its blue line as we speak. And NAS is also going down to its blue line as we speak. You can see it dropping down. Go back to GBP USD. You're getting the money. In other words, take that money out. GBP USD 1-minute. I mean, how many 1-minute sells did you have to take this morning? You should have made a shit ton and went to the 5-minute as called. 15 might go to the 15-minute. I look for any 1-minute sells to the 15-minute blue line. 1-hour buy stop, GBP USD. And then it is a weekly sell stop to the ERUSD monthly blue line. 1-minute sell stop, SPX. 15-minute buy stop, SPX. 1-minute sell stop to the blue line, NAS. 5-minute buy stop. These were called out like fucking 19 hours ago, last night at 11 p.m. Whatever else it is. Oh, 12 hours ago. 1-minute sell stop, US30. 15-minute buy stop. I'm sticking with these. What I wrote, I'm not changing it. That's what you get. Take it. You'll make your money. I'm going to mark my spot in here. Doop. There. Let's close on like 1 minute. You're not close enough. All right. Now, thank Kevin Bri for all you do for us. A, the Queen is here. Thank you, Stephanie B. Way to go, Shannon. Everyone else, no worries. I love to hear all of the calls. All right, everybody who has questions before I go. Training's at 1 o'clock for everyone who's bought. Training's at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time for everyone who already has bought. You'll be getting an email before then. Uh, don't ask us for a link. We'll ignore the request. Matter of fact, not dealing with that shit. Don't waste our time. Do not go back to your type form and look over your type form. Everything's there, including every update goes to the type form. So it's all there. I promise you it is. Look at it go down before your very eyes for the 50 millionth time today. US30 just hit its blue line. You can see NAS going towards this blue line. I don't know what more you guys want on this system, but there it is for your very eyes. Trade, trade, trade. All right, no questions. All right, guys on YouTube, we shall see you later. I'll probably be on this evening sometime. Wow, what a nice morning. Fucking fantastic. All right, guys. Awesomeness. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Wow, that fucking kicked the head. That was awesome.